this is another video by Mr. Silver. Today we're looking at multiplication and just the basics of multiplication, and specifically looking at repeated addition with multiplication. So we're just going to start with a question. We'll start with 5 times 2. 5 times 2. When we're looking at a question like this, our first number in the question is called our multiplier. And the second number is the multiplicand. So this is the technical part, which is good to know, but it's not important, so you can always skip through that part. The multiplier means how many groups there are, and the multiplicand is how many are in each group. So multiplier, how many groups; multiplicand, how many are in each group. So for this one, we have 5 groups. And the multiplicand, there are 2 in each group. And then we can simply just count them up together. So we could write 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And as I said, we're focusing on the repeated addition. So what that means is that we're just going to add each lot of 2 together. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 5 times 2 equals 10. There's also another good way that we can say this, is that the multiplication part, the sentence can be said as there are 5 lots of 2. Now this can be said for any multiplication question. We'll try this one with a different set of numbers this time. Let's say 6 times 3. Again, we have our multiplier and we have our multiplicand. So, how many groups we start with? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 3 in each. Again, if you want to, you could write the numbers underneath. This time I'm just going to put an addition symbol in between each group because I know there's 3 in each group. And then if I know my 3 times table, I can add up in 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. If I'm not very good at counting in 3s yet, then that's something I can practice separately from this video. However, what I can do is just count each group individually. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, coming to our sentence, we can say there are 6 lots of 3. So really focus on the addition part of this. If you don't need to draw out the groups, then we can just do 3, add 3, add 3, add 3, add 3, add 3. I have 6 lots of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So we get the same answer. 2 different ways of doing it, both get you the same answer. Now this is really helpful when it comes to any multiplication where you're just using single digits. When you get into the double digits, we'll show different ways, but for now, especially with year 2, focus on just single digits. What you can also do at this point is show different ways of working out. So we've just used circles to show our ones while we're adding. You can do different pictures. You could draw a bug that has 3 legs, and you could draw 6 of those. It can really show in different ways. This will really help to show how the children are really thinking and the different ways that they can represent their answer. I hope you found this helpful. The next video will focus on around division using a similar method